Drivers were urged to avoid driving in the Sierra today.
Yes, that is the message. KCRA3's Danica Hill is along Interstate 80 in Nyack to show us why Caltrans is making that urge to people to just stay home if they don't have to drive. Danica?
Yeah, so we are standing here on I-80, literally in the middle of the freeway because it is closed. We just saw a Caltrans crew come through here. He told us they were holding people down at Drum 4 Bay, but now they're turning them around due to those spinouts here on I-80. I want to step out and show you just a little bit of what we're seeing on this empty highway. Mark keeps mentioning that wind. I'm going to show you those trees up there. You can just see, and this is actually calm from what we've been seeing out here today. Just wind blowing this around. Not only does it blow the trees, but it blows the snows. It blows all onto the roadway. This roadway here was clear earlier today within our last hit, but since then, it started to fill up. Now take a look at some of the video from earlier today when we did have chain controls right here at Nyack. A lot of people were just pulling over to the side, getting those chains on, making sure they were properly put on. And that's another message for those people that are trying to come up here. You know, right now it is closed, but if you are able to come up here, you're going to need those chains. Now, we did speak with the one chain installer about the procedures to put it on. Here's what he had to say.
They want to put them on themselves. They need to read the directions, follow the directions, take your time, do it right, make sure they're on right before you take off. And you need your patience. You really need patience up here.
Exactly. You're going to need your patience. As we said, I-80 is closed from Drum 4 Bay all the way to the state line. I mean, this is a live look at exactly what the conditions are out here. Again, this is all due to the spinouts and the traffic that we're seeing along the way up here. So, you know, it's a message that we've been saying, a message that Caltrans and other law enforcement has also been urging. Just don't come up here if you absolutely do not have to. And at this point, you're not going to be able to make it. They're going to turn you around. So stay at home if you can. Here in Nyack, Danica Hill, KCRA 3 News.
All right, Danica, stay warm, okay? Thank you.